our next performer coming up to our stage. She is waiting for her wedding night. She's waiting so deeply and peacefully and wantonly for her man to, put the light through that yonder window. So please welcome Juliet. Here she is.
Gallop apace, you fiery-footed steeds, toward Phoebus' lodging. Such a wagoner as Phaeton would whip you to the west and bring it cloudy night immediately. Spread thy closed curtains, love performing night, that runaway's eyes may wink, and Romeo leap to these arms. Lovers may seek to do their amorous rites by their own beauties, or, if love be blind, it best agrees with night. Come, civil knight, thou sober-suited matron all in black, and learn me how to lose a winning match, play for a pair of stainless maidenhoods. Learn my unmanned blood, fainting in thy cheeks with thy black mantle, till strange love grow bold. Think true love acted simple modesty. Come, night, come, Romeo, come, thou day and night, for thou wilt lie upon the wings of night, whiter than new snow on a raven's back. Come, gentle night, come, loving black-browed night, give me my Romeo! And when he shall die, take him and cut him out in little stars, and he will make the face of heaven so calm. All the world shall be in love with night, and pay no worship to the garish sun. Oh! I have bought the